order block, breaker block, fair value gap. Smart money concept can be confusing, right? What if I told you that for boom and crash specifically, you only need to master one simple pattern, just one simple pattern? I am going to strip away all the noise and give you the only strategy you need to stay profitable in this 2025-2026, guys. So I'm going to give you the strategy right now. So if you are watching my other video, guys, I think this is a story I'll be telling you. I teach you another strategy for smart money concept. This is where I told you that I'm waiting for the market to spike. So if you are not watching the first video, second video, go and watch it. So this is where I will be waiting for the market to spike, and definitely it is spike, guys. So and it's spike here, guys. So I told you that it's going to be a catchy spike. If you are not watching my $10 to flip for $1,000, is where we paid this, guys, and it's actually happened here. So we actually be doing this, guys. So you can see that our this thing is spiking. This is where we mark, and it is spike. Go and watch that video, guys. $10 to $1,000. That's where we save this, guys. And if you look at this thing, guys, this thing is what we tell you guys. This one spiked already when we are doing the video, guys. And I told you guys that we actually need to mark the first and this thing second, and this thing did not come by law. We actually mark it when there is what, when we are doing what, we are doing analysis on a higher time frame. Look at how we started, guys. We started on a higher time frame, like 4-hour time frame. I think 4-hour time frame is where we did it on a 4-hour time frame. I was telling you that the market is in downtrend here. The market is in downtrend here, guys. Look at what we did here, guys. If you have not watched the video, make sure you watch it, guys. The first video, first and second video, guys. So I was telling you that the market is making lower low high, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, breaking of structure, making a break of structure. So as the market is making a break of structure, guys, the market actually reach to this level, guys, and you can see that this market that is making a break of structure. So we'll be expecting the market to reach to this level, guys. We expect, look at where I marked that the market is going to make something, because the market is trying to make a break of structure, so the market will need a little bit and come down, guys. So that's when we come up with this level, guys, this particular thing for the boom and crash, guys. And you can see that it's spike already. So what are we going to do? You can actually take your profits, guys. Take your profit, and you can actually take your profit. This thing is continue going to spike, because this thing you are seeing here is what is on 1-hour time frame. You can see that where I marked, I told you guys that the market is likely to go and retest this area. Look at where I marked the level, guys. I marked the level, guys, telling you guys that we'll be trading on this particular zone. We'll be trading to this level, guys, and after the market reach to this level, we'll be going down, because we are buying boom and crash. We'll be targeting this level only. But if it's another place like a volatility 75, we'll be targeting this level. But if you can target it, because we are catching normal candle, you can do it. But I don't trade normal candle. I don't normally trade normal candle. So because we are targeting it, because we are using higher time frame. So the one thing you have to understand is that you need a higher time frame to be able to achieve this particular goal. You need a higher time frame. So don't go on a boom and crash just focusing on one minute time frame. Many people made a mistake, and because we are doing a higher time frame, we are using smart money to crush it down, guys. We are using a smart money concept to crush it, which is hardly see people doing on a smart money concept. You can see the analysis here, guys. So what do you need? What you need is the basic knowledge of smart money concept, which I'm going to be showing you here, guys. I've also explained this, guys, on my video, guys. So what thing you have to do is that when you come to the market, just know this as the break of structure. If the market is, know the structure of the market. First of all, you have to go to the higher time frame, know the structure of the market. If it's on a 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, you can go and check the higher time frame. If it's higher time frame, you can see that this place that market made the what market was going in that trend, the market started going up there here and try to make what you call what change of character here, change of character here. You can see, guys, the market made the what a change of character here, which is actually what we need to understand. Just know the structure. If you can understand the structure of the market, you can actually trade boom and crash profitable, guys. So you can see that this thing is what we are applying here. So let's go to other this thing. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening on this one. You can see that this one is also going on a what on a see what this one is doing, guys. So what you can able to identify the structure, you can see the structure is going, this one is going higher low, higher low. You can see this one is going higher high. So this one is going higher high, higher low. But if you bring it on a if you can bring it on a 4-hour time frame, you understand what is going on more clearer than you can see it. So the market is going down trend here, and after the down the market started making something break of this structure here and started making a liquidity here, guys. And once the market is forming a liquidity, look at what the liquidity is forming here. Look at the liquidity here. The market form a liquidity here and try to retest this particular liquidity here, guys. And this is where we'll be targeting. And after this level, we are going to go and start leaving the market, guys. So let me go and show you another market, because we have gone with all those one and we are looked at another market on a boom and crash. If you don't know how to go to boom and crash or trading, just start trading view, derivative trading view. This is the derivative trading view. And if you don't have an account on trading view, use my link below and register. So let's keep going, guys. Let me show you more on this particular things, guys. Let me show you which crash we are going to. Let's check at this crash 300. This crash 300, guys. So looking at the crash 300 on a 4-hour time frame, let's analyze what the market is doing here. Look at what the market is doing here. First of all, the market is in what? In a downtrend, guys. So we are going to make this thing trend line to show that the market is going to downtrend, guys. You can see. So right now the market is in what? In downtrend. So what is the next thing to do, guys? The next thing to do is for you to analyze what is actually going on the market. What is actually going on the market? What is actually going on the market, guys? Look at here, guys. Market is overall market is in downtrend. So right now the market is trying to retest this particular area, guys. Market is trying to retest this particular area. So the market is making higher high and making higher lower low, lower high here. So which is the next thing, the market is going to be coming down here. The market is going to be crashing to this level, guys. So right now we can now go to 1 hour time frame to make another analysis, to make what another analysis, guys. So you can see that the market is going to up like this, guys. Market is going up like this, guys. And after the market, you can see the market is forming what you call market has formed. You can see what the market formed here, guys. Market forming a liquidity. Look at a liquidity here. So that place is what we are going to sell. We are going to sell at liquidity. And if you look at, let me just view this thing very well, guys. Because if you can analyze market very well, you can see that what is. So you can see that market form a liquidity and market sold around this place. You can see this small red candle. We show you that market is respecting this zone, guys. Market is respecting this liquidity zone, guys. You can see the liquidity 1, liquidity 2, and liquidity 3. We show you that market will start falling. Market will start falling here. And where are you going to start taking profit? So your market is going to fall here. You can take a profit around this area, because that's where the market is trying to complete this liquidity zone here. So the market is trying to complete this liquidity zone. So after that, the market might come down, break this liquidity here, break this liquidity and start going up again or go down. But we are trading inside this liquidity, if you understand the liquidity, guys. So the liquidity have not yet a break, because 1, 2, 3. If has it been that this thing have formed a liquidity 3, that this one has formed, and we will not trade on this liquidity, because the market is likely to break this liquidity, guys. So So in trading inside the liquidity, you need to understand what is actually happening. So you need to understand the market structure. If you can understand the market structure, you can trade the boom and crash very well, guys. If you can understand the market structure, you can trade the boom and crash very well, very nice. If you understand the SMC strategy, guys. So, and this is what I'm trying to explore, so that people who know this thing will know that you can trade smart money concept on a boom and crash, guys. So that's what I want to share with you guys for this particular thing, guys. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. If you are looking a way to to trade this particular things, if you are finding it difficult to trade this particular thing on a smart money, using smart money concept, you can actually reach me, guys, because this thing is what we are going to be doing. So you can see that the market is going to fall down here after touching this level here, guys. It's going to fall down. It's going to fall down and continue falling, guys. So if I'm selling right now, I'm going to sell crash 300 and with confidence. But that doesn't mean that you will not put a stop loss, guys, because sometimes market will misbehave. So you put your stop loss above this area, guys, in case the market want to break the liquidity. In case the market want to break the liquidity. But if you know that, you can know that that is liquidity, guys. That is the 3 point of liquidity. You can see it. It's very, very clear, guys. And the market have formed a red display telling you that it is respecting this red thing. How I wish you guys can understand this. This is a nice, perfect, nice entry, guys. This red thing have shown you that it is respecting this zone again. It is respecting this zone again, guys. And it's going to start falling again, guys. So I hope that you understand this. And if you have any question, guys, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, so you can drop it on the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video, guys.